Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Hatsune Miku using this cute character face on Dress to Impress. For the top, I'm just going to use this one. I know she uses something else, but unfortunately they removed the Hatsune Miku outfit. So I'm just going to do shirt only and remove the bow here. And then for the bottom part, I'm just going to use this in like this color, and like I'm going to add the like bluish green, I guess. Maybe I should nah, I'm not going to add neon. Maybe this color. I actually don't know like exactly the color. Let's just do this, it's fine. And then for the fit, I'm just going to use this. And then I am going to use, should I do this? Yeah, I'm just going to do this, and then this for the shoes, and I'm just going to do this for the boots. And I'm going to do this, an opaque, and that bluish color here. I might change this to like a darker, that's fine, I'll just do that instead. Alright, now for the cute character face. Oh my gosh, I forgot the tie. How can I forget? There. For the cute character face, you'll need the hair first. So I'm just going to use this hair for mine. The one in codes here. I'm just going to color that this color. And I am going to make it a little bit bigger for like the cute face later. And then I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to size it up and kind of position it up here a little. And then I'm going to get that mask and do the same thing. Like that. And you're just going to try your best to color it the same as your skin tone, because we are going to color it neon. So here I'm just trying to figure out the best color for like my skin tone here. I think this is good enough. So I'm just going to copy and paste that and copy it also on the mask here. Neon as well. So there isn't any textures. I'm just going to bring them slightly closer together so there's no like gap here in between. I might make this a little bit bigger. Perfect. Okay, now for the face, well, for the eyes, we're going to use this. You can either use the star or the round ones. I'm just going to scale it down and then, oops, position it where I can see them here. I'm just going to rotate it a little bit. And I'm just going to scale it up more. Like this. I think I might use the round ones actually, because they're a little bit better. Scale it down. There we go. And then for like the blush, we're going to use this one. These glasses in like pink and like neon. I'm just going to copy the like skin tone that we had for the this part, that's what I'm trying to say. And then let's position it so you can see this a little bit better. I might make it a little bit darker so you guys can see. Scale it down maybe a little. And I'm just going to add on the headset because it's like the last piece, I guess. I am going to obviously resize that to make it bigger. And I might also put in some bows as well here. In a black color. Perfect, and that is how you can create Hatsune Miku in this style. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.